Hey guys, it's me Stace. Today we're using the Cricut, as you can see, to make this adorable 3D carrot. It is absolutely darling. I love it. You can fill it with treats, put it inside an Easter basket for little ones, give it to a girlfriend, a boyfriend, a partner, whoever you want to just cheer up with a carrot treat box. Alright, let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright guys, here we are at the computer. I'm already logged into the Cricut design space. I am also on the welcome screen. From here, we're going to go to the very first category, which is one-of-a-kind hats. Go to the far right and click on where it says View All. Then in that upper right-hand corner, click on the down arrow, and then just go down and click on Cricut Access. In the search box, type in the word carrot, and then click on Enter. And the project we're making is this one right here, this carrot candy box. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see it brings up a preview window. Very bottom, choose Customize. Alright, so we have the carrot pieces and the green pieces. I'm going to right click on this and choose Ungroup. So we have these two pieces here, the carrot box and all the pieces for the inside of the carrot. Upper right hand corner, click on Make It. Alright, so we have the carrot box and you're able to cut that out with 8.5 by 11 cardstock. Mat 2 are the inner pieces and then mat 3 is the green. I'm going to click on Continue, cut everything out, go to the table and put our carrot box together. Alright, we are back. Everything is cut out. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and score my carrot very carefully. Just kind of go in there and finger press just to get it started. And then I'm going to take my bone folder to go over that. Alright, so we have that one. You want to be careful when you're scoring them because we have those holes there. So just kind of finger press them first, just to get them started. Okay, I think that one's good. All right, we have 2 more to do. I'm actually going to do the 2 of them together, so I'm going to do that one and then this one here. Okay, and then just take your bone folder and go over those really well. Okay, now we can go ahead and put our inside pieces on it now that I'm able to see where the score marks are. I'm using art glitter glue, and what I'm going to do is just go lightly. Maybe. I think I got a clog on my glue. Let me go over here and give it a... Yep, I need to take my pin in there. Kind of jab at it. Let's see if I can get the glue. Alright, be right back. Alright, I am back. I had to unclog my glue. Alright, so I'm going to put some glue all around the carrot on the inside. You want to make sure you do them inside lines as well. And a little bit down the side here and down this side. Alright, I'm going to stick this piece in, and I'm going to start with the bottom first. You want to make sure you clear that score mark on the top. Alright, so there's one done. And again, the same thing. I'm going to go down the sides. And then in the middle. I think I made this before. I don't quite remember though. Okay. 2 down, 2 to go. And I do have a card kit for this as well. And to win the card kit, just leave me a comment with a carrot emoji and I'll pick a winner. And how I notify the winner, I comment back. You know, on your comment, I'll comment that you're the winner of the card kit and to email me and I'll give you my email address. This way if you do win, you know how to contact me. All right, last one. Come down the side. And then in the middle a little bit. Just enough to hold it down. We don't need a whole lot of glue there. All right. And our last piece right here. All right, so we have that. Now we're going to take this score mark and put some glue on it. And you want to go edge to edge here. Nice even layer. And just bring this one over to line up with that one there. Then just kind of give it a second for that glue to grab. Okay, I think we're good. All right, now we have the closure here, which has a slice here and a slice here. So it's a really easy closure. I say that, and here I do struggle. There we go. You just have to get it lined up in there. And there we go. Now, for the greenery, you could do... It's not going in all the way. There we go. Okay, for the greenery, or the like little hands, you could put them inside here, and then one inside here, which I think I'm going to do. So I'm going to fold these down, okay, and just put glue on one half of it here, and then put this piece on there. And you want to go up a little bit, so you don't want to line it up perfectly with that bottom. Otherwise, it's going to give us an issue to close. Okay, and then do this one. You could also use a curling ribbon if you have that as well. All right. So what I'm going to do, take my bone folder and put it this way and kind of curl these a little bit. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off, yeah, I'm going to open this up real quick. Okay, see how I did that? That's how they're attached. I'm going to cut off this part. I don't like how it hangs over, on how you can see that. So, just cut a little bit of it off. I'm also going to cut this end, this whole thing off right here. There we go. I didn't like how it was hanging over like that. The nice thing, as I said before, with the Make It Now projects, you can make it your own. And I tend to do that a lot. Alright, so I think that looks a little bit better. And then again, to close it, you have the slice here and the slice here. And then just bring them in. How cute. So, so cute. Just kind of pull them to get them adjusted. There we go. Isn't that a cute little box? Super cute. Alright, so here's the card kit. I had to fold one end down to make it fit in my envelope, but again, to win the card kit, leave me a comment with a carrot emoji. I will pick a winner. And again, I notify you by commenting back on your comment that you leave. Any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.